Hey everyone, Tanner here with Skope, taking a minute today to explain the Skope, how it works, and why you need one. So the Skope is a two-piece system. You've got your Skope case. This is the piece that centers the phone inside of our adapter plate. What that adapter plate does then is attaches to our Skope optic adapter. I've got one here mounted on this spotting scope and my binoculars. The key to this particular piece is this is what will attach to the scope, securing the camera and centering it through your binoculars. So all you'd have to do with the binocular is simply attach it like so, and you're ready to go. Just that fast. It's centered right over your binocular's eyepiece. You're only using one of the barrel, and I like to just hold the binocular just like so. If you have questions, guys, drop us a line, support@phonescope.com. You're welcome to give us a call as well, 800-790-4480. Appreciate the time. Have a great day.